Good morning, children. Today we shall be starting the online classes. The chapter is electricity. As you know that there are different forms of energy. Today we are using the most viable form of energy is electricity. So we all already studied about the wind energy, the solar energy, and thermo energy. But the most important today we are using is the electrical energy because it is a easily available form of energy. Okay, then what exactly is electricity? Electricity is the flow of electrical charges is called as electricity. Okay, every element has both positive as well as negative charges. Therefore, every element is stable on its own because equal number of protons and equal number of electrons makes the element stable. But you know that, for example, when we take two non-conductors, example insulators, that is a glass rod and a silk cloth. Suppose if I rub the silk cloth with the glass rod will lose the electrons to the silk. So what happens here? The number of electrons and protons in the glass rod gets destabilized. I mean to say that it will lose the electrons. When it loses the electrons, the glass rod becomes positively charged. And when the silk rod gains the electrons, it becomes negatively charged. So there is a flow of electrons from the glass rod to the silk cloth. So this kind of electricity is called as static electricity that we have studied in earlier classes. But today, now in our syllabus of 10th standard, we are going to study about electricity. This is the dynamic electricity. That means the flow of electrons takes place from one place to another place. For example, to flow the electrons, we need conductors. As we know that conductors, they allow the current to pass easily from one point to another point. That means actually the electrons are moving from one end to another end, which builds up the energy inside that conductor, and we use that energy in various forms. So that's why today the electricity has become the most viable form of energy. Today we use hydropower dams to manufacture the electricity. So we use a different method of manufacturing the electricity, but the most common form is hydropower stations. Here, what we try to use the potential energy and the kinetic energy into electrical form of energy. Okay, this is the basic fundamental of electricity what I told now. So for the next class, I am going to start the main points of electricity which you can able to grasp it very easily, and definitely it helps you for your further studies. Thank you children. Have a nice day. Thank you. 3. Hi children, as I gone through this electricity class, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much children.